Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to be potting on some marigolds, some rudbeckias and some petunias. Just get them out of here first. Here we go. Been under the lights. Get them on here. I'm using my new Joby stand. Just want to show you. Yeah, nice little stand there. Nice little new microphone as well. So I shall just sort this out for a second. Right, so we've got this sorted now. Get the microphone to one side. Yeah, what I'm going to be doing with these is pricking these marigolds out and then potting them and potting them in these toilet roll tubes. I've already had a water. I've already got some cornflowers and some 4 loop into there, so I've given them a little water. What we need to do then is get it over there like so. Get this under here. Yeah, what we're doing now is, you see that okay, just pricking these out and then transferring them across to here. That's sorted like so. Move that across. There in a minute. These are being used peat-based compost because I haven't found a decent peat-free one to use. So I get my little pen. Just for pricking out. You can use anything that's flat and blunt. So all you need to do then is just get in there like so. Get as much compost as you can out with it, and all we need to do then is just in like so. Try and get it centered. You don't want to be touching the stem at all. You want to be missing that totally. A bit more compost around it like so. Now you don't want to be touching the stem, because if you damage the stem, that's it. It's curtains for it. You don't want a little water like so. Then you can see here the compost is really wet. It's a little bit too wet actually. It's been that humid in here. The moisture levels have just become absolutely unbearable. And because it's that wet outside, I've not been able to vent it by opening the windows and stuff like that. So a little hole there. And with the leaves in the middle. Nice bit of compost. And then just a little bit of water, just to water it in. These will go into a tray of water, these marigolds, once they're all potted up. Yeah, the good thing about using these is that these toilet roll tubes, you can fit a lot into a tray, probably 40, 45 into one tray. So you can get a lot of plants in there, taking up only a little bit of space. Yeah, see there, nice thick stem on that. Lovely root system. Into the middle like so. Bit of compost around it. Give it a little tap in. Yeah, if any go over like that, don't worry, once you give them some water and they get over the shock of being moved, they will come round nicely. Yeah, like I said, it's been a peat-based compost, this. And it's a really good quality compost as well. Like, get the leaves there, give it a little tug, untangle it, and these are going to be gorgeous. These are marigolds. Don't know what type of marigold, but these are going to look absolutely gorgeous this year. So yeah, like so, into the middle. Bit of compost around it, a little bit of water. So yeah, if anybody's got any questions about how to put plants on into these toilet roll tubes, I've got a video on how to use these, how to fill them without having to cut the bottom and fold it. The way I do it is I take a toilet roll tube, I fill it, right, so at the bottom, and then I get a round piece of dowel or a hammer, the shaft of a hammer, bang it in, and then that keeps, you get a nice tight plug there, and then by the time the roots at the bottom, they hold everything in. You just take them out and plant them, and it's totally biodegradable then, and you're not going to disturb any of the roots. It's a really good way of doing it. Plus it's free, totally free. Just save these over the year, for the autumn and the spring when you're going to be sowing your next lot of flowers. So yeah, I'll get on with this. Right, here we go. This is the last one. I've then got, I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, I think probably 23 here, which is great. Should all go in like so. Last one. A little bit of compost around there and just a little bit of water from the top. I've been using my pen to do this, so I'll move this over to the back here, move this across, as you can see there, get the name tag, marigolds, get that in there like so. And all we'll do with these then is just take them and put them in my tray of water, just in there. I shall leave them in there for half an hour, and then I'll take them out and drain them. This just fits over the top so it can drain the water back in, and then I shall give them a little feed. I have some tomato feed here. I shall start feeding them on this tomato right concentrated tomato food. I find it's a really good quality feed. It's a good all-purpose. It helps produce really good, strong, healthy plants with some beautiful flowers on. So yeah, that's how to grow your marigolds, part 2, potting on into toilet roll tubes. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. Like videos, please subscribe. Say bye, monkey. Bye, Paul. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.